Are we surprised at this point? I think not. We have another unboxing. A little bag. A tiny little bag. I forgot that this was here. This has been sitting like this for 2 months. Oops. I'm excited to see it again. Forgot what it looked like. But I took you guys along shopping for this, so you'll know what it is. Anyway, okay. So we have a quick little Hermes unboxing. It's part of my series, Shopping for a New SA. So this is the third SA, third shopping experience, okay? So, and looking back on it now, I probably should have... okay. We're gonna do a little quick unboxing and story time of the new SA thing. Okay, so, yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique. And today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing / discussion. There's 2 little items I got with my new SA as part of my new SA journey at Hermes, okay? So, quick unboxing and talking. We got 2 little items, a little bag and a little item. So if that's anything you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. And keep on watching. Okay, so the third trip to the same store, 3 different SAs, which in retrospect was very, very silly because I probably should have just met all 3. I bought something with all 3 because I bought something with all 3. So very silly because in retrospect, I probably should have just met all 3, not bought anything, and then decided and then picked the one that I was going to shop with and bought all 3 things from one because now I have, you know, it's not the history. It's the history of the store, sure, but it's like 3 separate SA histories, which doesn't really, in my experience, in my understanding, doesn't help. Anyway, so this is the third one and the third thing, which I got 2 months ago. I took you guys on the shopping vlog. I don't think I ever unboxed it. Well, I definitely didn't unbox it because it's still here in the box, and I know I didn't rebox these, so let's unbox them. But this is the third SA, and this is my favorite one, I think, so far. It's my favorite one. This is probably the one I'm gonna stick with and hopefully get something from. I've known this SA for a little bit. Unfortunately, my SA left kind of all suddenly, and also the 2 managers that I knew left. They moved over somewhere else. I mean, still in contact with them. There's new management. It's a new SA. There's a lot of new people at the store now, so I don't know. And it's one of the most difficult stores to get a bag at, so we'll see. Anyway, okay. But the good thing about these is they're 2 small little things. Bag technically, but not a bag for pre-spend, so yay. Okay, all right, so let's unbox. I don't really have the story time, but basically, so like I said, okay, so if you can't tell from the box, you can probably tell from the box, but if you can't tell from the box, I got this. This is the third one I've gotten in 3 months. This is the third one I've gotten in the last 3 visits, and then I got 2 in Paris, so now I have like 5 of these. And last year I had none, so which is crazy. And I bought 1 with each person, which was silly. I should have just bought all of them with 1 person, right? Because that's a lot of pre-spend with 1 person. I mean, I guess it's pre-spend at the store, but whatever. And again, all of this is just my hearsay and my understanding. I don't actually know what. Nobody knows as far as I can tell. It's just all a big question mark in the air, right? Like, who knows the rules? The rules keep changing. And again, this is just from my experience. I have no affiliation to Hermes. I'm not paid by Hermes. I don't market for them, whatever. Blah, 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 blah. This is just what I experienced. So this is the third one I got with the third SA. To be fair, I had pre-ordered 2 of them last year with my old SA. So they had just come in this year with new SAs. I took you guys on the shopping vlog. I showed it to you. I unboxed it for you too. This one I was really excited about. This is the most special one because special hardware and a special color. Okay, I've been talking a lot. I know. Okay. I can't believe I haven't seen it yet. I mean, I saw it like months ago. So it is the Constance to go wallet on chain wallet. Gris Misty with permabrass hardware in Evercolor. And for comparison, I brought out my other Gris Misty. So you can see, go away. You can see how the leather looks a little bit different on the 2 different colors. The color looks different on the 2 different leathers, right? And even the hardware, and the plastic's still on, but like, I don't know. Anyway, this is a much more delicate leather. I'm really excited now because this is a very cool combo, I think. Gris Misty they're keeping as a color. I thought they were gonna make it a limited, but they brought it back. But with permabrass, and they've done a lot with permabrass, but it doesn't always come with permabrass. And then, this is why I like this SA too, because I knew this SA had a little bit of a relationship with them. But like I said, it's really hard because I have to start fresh. Starting fresh. From my understanding, I'm starting fresh with the SA, and it's a new year, and in the store, because I have a relationship with the store, but I don't have a relationship with this SA in the store, and I bought with other SAs in the store, so I've already jumped around a little bit. The managers have gone, so I feel like that makes it a fresh thing, because I don't know how the new managers are gonna hold it. And the store is very competitive. There's so many people trying at the store. It's one of the most difficult stores. And there's so many new sales associates. So I just feel like the competition is so fierce. But anyway, this SA has been there for a while. They're super sweet and I know them. And they were like, I see you like charms. So they got me a charm too, which I was like, oh, they didn't get the exact one that matches, which is fine. I like collecting these. I don't even like, I put them on the bag every now and then, but then like, I actually don't like them. I just like I feel like I'm just gonna have like a taste of the rainbow. And they said also, they were like, and it's in a new 2025 color, which I was like, oh, mwah. So it is the Pegase Rodile in the Gris Platine, I think. Yeah, a new color, which again, I don't think it will go on that, but it can go on other things. Yeah, that's really soft. Hello, Gris Platine. It's very cute. Okay, that's all I got, I think. Let me know your questions or thoughts or comments in the comments below. Crazy times, craziness, crazy you, crazy love, crazy stupid love. Okay, yeah. All right, a little update for you, a little Hermes unboxing, and we'll get on to the next one. Pre-spend, hopefully towards getting another bag at this store with this new essay. So we'll see. We'll see what happens and if this will lead to anything. But I've gone back and bought a few other things, so we'll see how this builds up. Okay? Yeah, that's all I got. I hope that was helpful. Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemy next, as I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending it with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.